Welcome to this channel. I'm going to be doing the breakdown of today gold trading analysis and how I caught the move, which gave me more than $3,000 profit with a simple trading strategy, which is profitable, easy, and everyone watching this video can use the same strategy also to make profit. So if you check this particular trade out right now, you can see this trade end up give what 1:26 risk to reward ratio. 1:26. Just imagine you risking 1% of your account and then you make it 26% in just one single trade. So I'm going to be doing the breakdown analysis of how to be cashing all this particular movement and then the simple strategy you can be using for it. So let's get into the video right now. So I have to delete all this so for me to explain. So let me delete this other block I use there. So let me check the trade. First you have to know is just like you have to know the direction that price is going to. And then everyone knows that gold is going what on a bullish trend, because if you have to check weekly time frame, so let's check weekly time frame right now. So if you have to check weekly time frame, you can see that price is going what to this particular high. It's going to tap this high out. Can you see price is going to go above this particular high? So today is Monday and the price just opened, so you have to study what's really happening in the market. So let's just go back to a 1 hour time frame. So this where price closed on Friday last week. This where price closes a high. So price opened this morning and then start going what on it. So when price gets to this particular level, you have to study what's happening in the market, because everyone is anticipating for price to come what to form retracement before going what on the bullish trend. So price did not do that. So how are you going to know that price is going to start going up? There's not going to form retracement. So this is 1 hour time frame right now. So if you go down to 30 minutes time frame, let's go to 30 minutes time frame. Let's see what happened then. So when price opened this, and price didn't move during London session, price didn't really move, so price just keep on going bearish. And then if you have to study the trade, you can see that price is forming what expansion and retracement. So let me just draw the expansion and retracement out. So you have expansion to the bearish direction, then retracement, then what expansion. Then this one end up this low does not go this previous low, which is SMS. So you can see that price and then eventually break this particular structure. So let me just draw the break of structure here. So once price break this structure, how are we going to know that price is going to respect this particular order block here? Because I make use of this order block. And then I noticed that some people doesn't understand real order blocks. So I think if you want me to do video about that, I will do video, just request for it. So it's not every single time you see break of structure you're going to make use of this particular order block. There's some instant that price is going to take this particular order block and then respect this particular movement here. Let me just draw it out. There's some time that price will just come all the way down to tap out this one to take it as liquidity, and then to respect this small candle you are seeing. It's not going to go below this one because price was going on a bullish trend. That price will respect this. And how you get to know that price is going to respect this or price is not going to respect it? So let me just explain that. That's just the simple strategy. I want you guys to pay attention to this right now. So if you check the market, you can see that price is being what on the bullish trend here. You can see all this black candle is the bullish candle. So inside this bullish candle, we don't have what any bearish candle inside it. And then if you check by your left side, you can see what we have one bullish candle here. Can you see we have one bullish candle here? Then all the remaining candles are what bearish candle. So you can see that price end up going above this particular high. So price end up going above this particular high here. Can you see above this particular bullish candle? So price end up going above it. So every single time you see double break, and every single time you see that price go above a particular different color candle, you understand, and then the high. So this actually is a break of structure, but it's not the exact order that price is going to make use of. So this is the reason why I'm teaching you guys this. So every single time you see a double break here, you should understand that the nearest order block corresponding for the movement, that is what price is going to use. And then this is the nearest what order block here. Can you see that? So this is order block, and then if that we don't have any different color candle, just imagine that this candle end up what in bearish candle. So we don't have any bullish candle in this moment. We are not going to make use of this particular order block. We are going to make use of the weak of this of the low. Immediately price take out the liquidity, price will start being what on a bullish trend, because it's not going to give room for more people to enter into it. So if it doesn't form any green candle here. What I mean by green candle, a bullish candle. So we're going to make use of this bullish order block. We're going to make use of this particular level because we're not expecting price to go below it, and then price is going to like act this on as what liquidity. So price is going to like to respect this. So you have to know that, and then let's just return it back. So this is the order block I use for this particular trade. So the entry and this is stop loss. So if you set up what's your entry here, let me set up entry. So I set up my entry here, and then what my stop loss. So let me just, I set up my stop loss here, and then eventually I set up what my take profits using this particular eye. The reason why I take profit earlier is just like I'm expecting price to go on a bearish trend, just like to form retracement before going what's on a bullish trend, and then before taking weekly time frame liquidity. Can you see the weekly time frame liquidity? I don't know how price eventually move like this, you understand? So I left it, and that's I just make like $3,000. If that I left the trade for a very long time, that this says take profit, I'm going to make not less than $9,000 to $10,000 in just this single trade. So the reason why I set my take profit is just like this particular eye is Asia eye. You understand? This eye it didn't form during London session, it's formed during Asia session. So I'm expecting price to like to tap it out. So once price go above it, I'm expecting what a bearish direction that price is going to form retracement for what our price did last week. You understand? But price did not do that. So I end up making a little profit, even though for that I've left the trade. I'm going to like to make not less than 9,000 to 10,000 profit. So that's just for that. So if you find this video interesting, I'll appreciate you guys if you subscribe and then like this video. See you guys in my next video.